Oh, the pretty bird, she warbled sweetly. Oh, the pretty bird, once sang in rhyme. Now the pretty bird calls to her babies, those poor babies she cannot find. And I wish that I had not cut down that mighty tree. Now the pretty bird just stands there crying, and all the other birds, they scream at me. I worked for the power company. I had not been there very long. It was my third day, and I did not want to attack the beauty that surrounded me. And now the bright sky has been cluttered with lines that divide the air, so the common man can plug in a TV and use the power we think we have. Now the summer months, they bring me torture, they bring me no joy and a crying shame. And the once sweet songs of the pretty birds, they haunt me all day and in my dreams. And I wish I could reverse the damage that I have done, but no amount of good deeds doing